Morning, folks. Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park field early in the morning, about maybe 6:15, 6:30, somewhere around there. Sun hasn't quite come over the horizon yet, but you see them little flashing lights there coming at us. That is the Tecnam, the Arrows Tecnam 2010, and I've got the easy lights on her. Now she does have her own stock lights. If you look right here on the green, the solid light at the bottom is what's stock. The flashing light on top is what's I've added. That's the easy lights. The flashing light in the front, the landing light, is what I've added, and of course the same thing on the red nav light. Okay, so we've got right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. We got takeoff flaps and landing flaps. We're going to try takeoff flaps right now because we don't have a breath of wind.
Flaps up.
Well, she got off in a hurry, didn't she? Can definitely see her. Those lights. Well, that does make it nice, doesn't it? It's like lookout bird.
Time remaining 6 minutes. Landing flaps.
Well, I like this. And just cruising around with the flaps down. Really enjoying this nice casual flight here. Somebody's beeping somewhere. There we go, folks. There we go. Yeah. All right, this time we're going to take off without any takeoff flaps. We're just going to take off straight. Cruise along here. Come between me and the clubhouse here. Uh-oh. Gonna turn around and land. My hatch is coming undone. Well, let's fix that. Motor off. Okay. You got to make, yeah, so you got to make sure that is.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Motor off.
You got to make sure that latch clicks in good. Because if you don't, well, you saw what happened. This is a nice, very gentle plane. It features the vector system.
Normal mode. Self-level.
Okay. Right now I've got self-level on, which is the same thing as Spectrum's ASC3X, or on Spectrum's safe mode, beginner mode, which you cannot bank or yank, or I mean you can't turn her over.
3 minutes.
You can't turn her over, put it that way.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
We're going to land in their mode of their version of safe.
Flaps up.
All right, this time we're going to keep her in safe, and we're going to take off in their version of safe. Now this is the vector stabilization, which is really good. It's probably one of the best after receiver gyros out there. See, I've got, which is the same thing as experience mode, the same thing as AS3X only. Normal mode means nothing, no kind of gyro, no kind of stabilization, nothing. And then self-level. Okay, so we're going to take off with self-level. There, a nice big wide turn. Them lights really do help. And just a nice little cruising speed. We'll come by and self-level, and I'll show you how the wings are. There, that's as far as I can turn. Watch the wings and I'll show you. See, I can't go any further over than that. So
time remaining 2 minutes.
There we go. Trying to bring her in on self-level. All right, like I say, I'm just flying her around in their version of safe right now.
Landing flaps.
There we go. All right, now we're gonna
Experienced mode.
go to normal mode, which is nothing. No kind of gyro, no kind of stabilization at all. And we're gonna fly around like that one time. Okay, here we go. Still very docile plane.
Landing flaps.
Got my landing flaps down. I'm lining up for my, going to turn around here and line up for my landing.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay.
Flaps up.
There we go. All right.
Experienced mode.
Now we'll put her in AS3X, and I'll show you a landing with AS3X, which is just wind mitigation is all that really is. It helps mitigate outside forces that were not you, that had nothing to do with you. You didn't do it with a controller.
Landing flaps.
Okay, went ahead and put my landing flaps in. Like I say, we're not self-leveling or doing anything like that. All right. A little bouncy, but hey, we'll take it.
Up.
All right, folks. Well, that was a 7-minute flight.
8.
Well,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
all right. 7 minutes, folks. 7 minutes. Well, okay. I lied. 6 minutes and 58 seconds.
Motor off.
Motor off. Let's see just how we're doing. Okay. Undo the hatch. Remember, when you close that hatch, you got to make it click in. Got to let it click in. Okay. So let's take the battery out. Just incidentally, the receiver that I'm using is an AR620, and the Vector sits down in the cavern. Battery's not hot at all, and I have 45% left, which is perfect storage rate. Well, all right, folks, there you go. 45% left, a 7-minute flight. So you could fly with throttle management. You could easily fly for 10 minutes, come back with probably 25% left on your receiver or on your battery, and that's good. That would be good. I prefer 30, but hey, maybe an 8-minute flight would be perfect. Well, there you go, folks. That's the Arrows Tecnam 2010. It has steerable nose gear, and those lights they're flashing are not stock. It just has simple red and green on the end, and that's the easy lights I've added. But I tell you what, folks, more people need to be getting this plane. This thing is awesome flyer. It's a great trainer. It can be a little sporty, and I'll have a link to the purchase of this plane in my description, and there will be, I was invited by Hobby Zone to partner with them. So if you buy the plane and use my link, I get a little bit of commission, and that's a first for me. But so no longer with these Arrows planes, though I have a non-affiliate link. I now have an affiliate link, so that's good, and please don't let that turn you off. That just helps me pay for these planes. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget, faith, family, friends. God bless y'all.